In order for you to earn money on YouTube, you have to be a member of YouTube Partner Program. What is YouTube Partner Program? The YouTube Partner Program gives creators greater access to YouTube resources and features like direct access to our creator support team. It also enables revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and I talk about education, entrepreneurship, finance, business, anything and everything that's important, necessary and needed for your success. We'll be discussing the different ways that YouTube channels make money. How do YouTube channels make money? The first way that YouTube channels make money is through YouTube advertising. A lot of YouTubers obtain their money from advertising revenue. This money is different and it varies from one YouTuber to another. Some YouTubers earn very high, and whereas other YouTubers earn very low. YouTubers that are in finance or that talk about finance related topics like passive income, dropshipping, Shopify, Amazon FBA, forex trading are more likely to make more money from ads revenue than YouTubers that talk about travel, daily vlog and several other things that's not related to personal finance. Why? Someone would like to ask. This is because advertisers are more likely to pay a higher premium for video titles that are in the personal finance space than video titles that are spread out of. I've done a video where I discuss popular YouTubers and their revenue from ads, and this include Cram Stefan, which you can see on this link that I'm showing you, where I discuss his revenue that he earned about $3 million just from YouTube ads alone. So if you can monetize your YouTube channel and all those ads that you see on YouTube videos, they generate money for the YouTubers because advertisers pay to put their ads on those videos. In order to qualify for the YouTube ad revenue, you need to be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian older than 18 years of age who can handle your payment via AdSense. Also, you'll be expected to create content that meets the advertisers friendly content guidelines. Someone would like to ask, what are the advertisers friendly content guidelines? Advertisers friendly content are videos. I say videos that contain inappropriate language, violence, adult content, shocking content, harmful or dangerous acts, hateful content, incendiary and demeaning, recreational drugs and drug related content, tobacco related content, firearms related content, controversial issues and sensitive events, adult themes in family content. These content are not advertisers friendly because no advertiser want to put their ads on video that are killing people. It will affect them in getting more customers and clients because a good number of people associate the video with the ads. For the ad revenue, a YouTuber can earn ad revenue if he or she has met the minimum requirement, which is a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public hours in the last 12 months. So when the YouTuber meets this minimum requirement, he or she can monetize his YouTube content. The second way that YouTube channels make money is through channel membership. This is when a YouTuber has toggled on the channel membership on his or her channel, where some members pay a premium in order to access some perks, special perks services that the YouTuber offers. The money range from £5 to £50. The higher you pay for such service, the higher the tendency for you to access more premium content from that YouTuber. Channel membership is not very popular on YouTube because a good number of YouTubers do not see the need of making their subscribers to pay in order to access their content. But a very popular way of earning money on YouTube, which most likely you have seen, is through merchandise shelf. This is when your fans can browse and buy official branded merchandise that showcase on your watch pages. I'm sure you have seen a cup or a shirt on the page of a YouTuber with the fee for that is called merchandise. If you are a fan of that YouTuber, you are subscribed to that YouTuber, or anyone can just go and order for the cup or the shirt. When you buy it, the YouTuber earn money from such service. But in order for you to have access to those services on YouTube, you must have at least 10,000 subscribers, which is far more than the 1,000 minimum subscribers that's required in order to monetize your YouTube video. The fourth way that YouTube channel and YouTubers earn money is through super chat and super stickers. This is when your fans pay to get their message highlighted in chat streams. If you are on live stream and we are watching a YouTuber, you've seen that some YouTubers, despite the time that they comment, their comments are always at the top of the page and is highlighted, and they also have some special stickers. It's paid by some viewers in order to have such service. I want to say at this juncture that the money that viewers pay for services like super chat, super stickers, channel membership, and merchandise shelf, YouTube takes about 30% cut from that money, whereas the YouTuber keeps about 70% cut of the revenue. This is different from the ads revenue, whereby YouTube takes about 50% cut and the YouTuber keeps about 50% cut of that revenue. Someone would like to ask, what about YouTube premium subscribers? How do YouTubers earn money? For people that are subscribed to YouTube premium, the YouTuber gets money when you view their content. This is because YouTube share the money as if it's an ads sense revenue. That is about 50% goes to the YouTuber or the creator of the content, whereas YouTube keeps about 50% of that revenue for itself. Of course, in order to be eligible for this service, the YouTuber has to create content watched by a viewer who is a YouTube premium subscriber. And I want to say, for all this revenue and this earning, there is a tax liability that the YouTuber is expected to pay depending on the tax laws and regulation in your country. So check out your local authority in order to confirm the appropriate tax to pay on this amount. There are several other ways YouTubers and YouTube channels make their money, which I have detailed in this video that you are seeing showing on the link now. So click on it in order to see 7 other ways that YouTubers earn money that are different from the YouTube Partners program. In order for you to earn money on YouTube, you have to be a member of YouTube Partner program. What is YouTube Partner program? The YouTube Partner program gives creators greater access to YouTube resources and features like direct access to our creator support team. It also enables revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. I will attach the link of YouTube Help that will detail more on the minimum eligibility to earn this money in the YouTube description box below. So kindly check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash, hit, destroy, finish the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video for other people to watch and view it and equally enjoy it just like you. Thank you for watching.